Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to change the graphics setting for your Unreal Engine 5.5. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. To change the graphics setting, what you need to do is click the setting at the corner. Then you can see the engine scalability setting here. It is epic. So if you have a really strong GPU, then you can choose the cinematic or epic. If you want to just have a preview, you can just choose low or medium. Let's say if I choose low, now you can see the graphics setting already become low. If you try to just play, you don't even see any of the shadow, right? Alright, what about if you change the graphic setting to medium? Then just have a test. You can see the shadow, but the resolution is low and some of the graphic is not turned on. So if you change it to the high or epic, then you should be able to see a really smooth, really high resolution shadow with all the graphic setting. All the rendering setting will become really awesome if you turn on the cinematic. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to change the graphics setting of your Unreal Engine 5.3. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.